This used to be the basketball court. Look at the height of the sand. The benches are all covered. And there's our beautiful boardwalk, or what's left of it. Still has some. Yep. This is all brand new. Look, all of this stuff has just been wrenched away from the. It's all just been broken off. Yeah, this is all just brand new that they just reconditioned this for the summer. It's all broken off. Look at this step. Everything's just pulled apart. This was all brand new. This is all new work that's done for this summer. It was beautiful, wasn't it? Still looks good. Still looks good. What's left of it. This is the steps to go down onto the beach. It's all mangled.
All that boardwalk, move on.
There used to be an island of sand right there with some plants on it. It's all gone. Still angry sea.
They are assessing the damage.
At least we got security. Damn. I used to bathe in that.